Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job notification from 6 company viewers. Work location is Hyderabad and Bangalore. So let's get started. Before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers, those who are visiting channel for the first time. Viewers, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. First, ATC. Viewers, ATC hiring currently many positions, but in this video I'm going to tell about Hyderabad work location viewers. Like we had business development executive, Chennai business development manager, cloud engineering, cloud lead, and as well as front end developer, full stack developer, mainframe developer, marketing automation specialist. When we come down, we had a work location Hyderabad, product designer Hyderabad. In order to apply for this position, viewers, candidate need to possess knowledge regarding HTML, CSS, JS, lead product design function, work through design problems from beginning to end, translating insight into ideas that from descriptive products and features, then designing workflow and detailed interaction to realize them. 4 years experience is mandatory of product design experience in consumers. So prior experience at startup, fast-paced environment, self-starter who deeply collaborate across functions. Additional requirements must be available to work extended hours, weekend as needed. So the clearly mentioned in additional requirements viewers must be able to work extended hours and weekends as needed. So those who have completed BE, BTech, ME, MTech and as well as who had knowledge of Scratch, Sigma, Abstract, Photoshop and as well as HTML, CSS, JS are eligible for this position viewers. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in the description. And viewers, next is Amazon. They are hiring support engineering position, work location Hyderabad. In order to apply for this position, viewers, basic qualification, bachelor's in CS or related field with 0 to 5 years of experience, knowledge of scripting languages such as SQL, Perl, Python, XML and Ruby, ability to write code in CSS, C, C++, Java, ability to understand functional and technical specification and analyze data, strong organization and problem solving skills with great attention to detail, including ability to track multiple test execution simultaneously, synthesize the results. So those who are interested can apply for this position. Both freshers, experienced are eligible. Yes, next is Skies is hiring, work location Hyderabad. 0 to 5 years experience candidates can apply for this position. For selected candidate, salary is 70,000 to 3 lakhs depending upon the experience and qualification. Any fresher with good communication skills are eligible viewers having minimum 6 months of relevant experience. Day shift job should be flexible with 6 working days. Candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English, especially willing to learn new things, positive attitude, innovative, will get exposure to end-to-end recruitment and as well as exposure of vendor management. Campus hiring would be added advantage. Exposure of salary discussion, maintaining databases preferred. Floor handling exposure, taking F2F interviews, I mean to say face-to-face interviews across various verticals and domains. Anyone from consultancy background would be preferred. Anyone holding any type of HR experience is eligible. So those who are interested viewers can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in the description. Viewers, next Nagarro is hiring viewers. They are hiring trainee positions. Candidate should have good analytical ability to tackle problems. Candidate should be ready to adapt with changing environment in projects. Candidate should exhibit willing to learn. So those who have completed degree is eligible for this position viewers. Execute full software development life cycle, develop flowcharts, layouts, documentation to identify requirements and solutions, write well designed testable code, develop software verification plans, quality assurance procedure, document and maintain software functionality, troubleshoot, debug, upgrade existing systems, deploy programs, evaluate user feedback, complete with project plans, industry standards, ensure software in updated latest features. So those are interested viewers can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in the description. Viewers, next, Granules India Limited is hiring walk-in for MSc Organic Analytical Chemistry freshers. They are conducting walk-in interview on 11th February, 12th February, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. in their company in the following address. Viewers, qualification MSc Organic Chemistry freshers 2019-20 passed outs. Department is Analytical R&D. Role is analyst. So those who are interested viewers can attend the walk-in interview. I am going to provide link in the description. Please do refer for address. Viewers, next, SS&C is hiring work location Hyderabad, 0 to 2 years experience candidates, and they are hiring in healthcare voice process, work location Hyderabad and Pune. 0 to 2 years experience candidates are eligible for this position. Interview rounds includes HR round and operation round through telephonic or video conference round. And candidate need to be flexible enough. We had rotational shifts. Any graduate, postgraduate including BTech, BE, MBA can also apply. Freshers and experienced. Should be flexible for shifts and typing speed 27 words per minute with 97% accuracy, both numbers and paragraphs. Should have decent communication skills in English, and companies providing transportation, annual bonus, performance based incentives. So those who are interested viewers can mail their resume to following email ID. So these are the details of 6 companies viewers: ATC, Amazon, Skies, Nagarro, Granules and SS&C. Almost all work locations are Hyderabad. Those who are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position, and I am going to provide link in the description. Through link you can apply for particular position which matches your profile. All the best viewers for your upcoming interviews. Thank you very much. Please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all latest job notification time to time. Thank you very much viewers.